Hi guys, welcome back to Coach Java Shankar Narayan. So today we're going to discuss about array concept. So I'm trying here just a basic array who are very new to core Java. I will help you how to declare an array and give the size as x, y, z and how to store the value and how to display that array. So if you closely observe here, there is an array declaration with the size 5. What does this statement mean? So if you put a brackets over here, this is an array declaration and I'm going to give the array size as 5. So what does this statement completely do? So array is a linear data structure which is going to occupy a continuous memory allocation where it's going to occupy the size of 5. The size of 5. It's going to create a random memory spaces of size 5. Now if you closely observe here, so I could see this is an array declaration with the name called ARR. It's a linear data structure, and if you could see there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total we have five spaces, random spaces. So the index is going to start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if you see here, I want to store the value for this array. For this ARR array, the index 0, in the ARR of 0th index, I am storing the value 10. The 10 will get stored in this array of 0th index. Next, in the first index, I want to store 20. ARR of 1 equals to 20. The 20 is going to get stored in first index. Now, I want to store 30 in the second index. The array name is ARR. In the array ARR, I want to store 30 in the second index. So I store 30. Next, I want to store 40 in the third index. So I store 40 in the third index. Next, in the fourth index, similarly, I want to store 50. If you closely observe, this has 5 continuous memory allocation and the index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have stored, we have declared and initialized the size as 5. Later, we have stored the value. Now I want to print it. How do I print? There is a concept called for loop, okay, which will be covered in the basics. Okay, so I'm directly going with the for loop. If you're not aware, please go to the basic videos and you can watch there. So initially I have started with 0th index and I have to go less than 5. What is the name of this array? It's ARR. Inbuilt, there is a word called array.length, arr.length, that is array name.length. It counts how many elements are present in this array. I could see there are 5 elements in this array, so it replaces arr.length with 5 so that I can run the loop till less than 5 means I can run till 4. So let's start with it, okay? So initially, if you see this, let me trace this. The for loop goes like this. Initially, I value is 0, 0 less than 5. Condition is true. Now you could see here, I value is 0 in ARR of the 0th index. What is the value present, guys? 10. So it is a print statement, system.out.println, ARR of 0th index. The value present in there is 10. Hence the output is going to be 10. Next, again the loop comes. Next, I++, is it 1 less than 5? Condition is true in ARR in the first index because now the I value is 1. So I is going to get replaced with 1. So in the first index, I have 20. Next, again the loop comes. I++, is it 2 less than 5? Condition is true. Now, slowly observe. In the place of I, it's going to replace with 2. Now, if you clearly see there, in ARR of 2, I have the value 30. Now, it's going to print 30. Again, the loop comes. This loop will be keep on running till the condition fades. Now, if you see I++ means it's going to increment. 3 less than 5. Condition is true. If it is true, now it's going to become ARR of 3. In third index, I have the value 40. So in ARR of third index, I have the value 40. 40 is printed. Again the loop comes. Now tell me guys, is it 4 less than 5? Yes, condition is true. If it is true, in the I value is going to be 4. Now in the ARR of fourth index, I have the value 50. Now 50 is going to get printed. Again the loop comes. Now tell me, carefully observe here. I++, is it 5 less than 5? No, condition fails and the for loop terminates. Let's go ahead and execute this program and understand better. If you see this, the same program I have written where I'm going to run this and I'm going to get the output as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Is it mandatory to have only integer type? No. We can also go for double, decimal, character, integer, different data type. If you're changing the data type here, it's mandatory to change the data type here, right? So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.